Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video you will see our short story of finding our first house, our fixer-upper bungalow, that we are financing on veterans loan, or the so-called VA loan. We toured about 5 houses before we found the one we actually chose. Initially we were disappointed because of not getting the house we actually wanted, so our realtor suggested looking at this house that just popped up that morning, and there we went. Are you happy to pack?
Yeah.
So here started the process of packing and later on moving. Because my husband is a veteran, we used the VA loan and also had the discount from Home Depot for veterans. First thing we did in the house was the floors. We didn't ever want to have a carpet or any types of rugs, at least at the beginning when we have a small child. We have never done anything as big as a project before, so we learned on the go, mostly watching YouTube videos and asking for advice from people who have done it. And even though it was really dusty and dirty work, which was not always easy, we were really limited in time. We only had 2 or 3 days to finish before moving in, which actually backfired in the end. We realized how imperfect it was, and I guess perfectionists and both of us feel that we have to redo it again. We still enjoyed it very much, especially because you can see the progress immediately. We tried to use as low toxic materials as possible, the ones we could find reasonable price on both Home Depot and Amazon. I will link them down below in the description. Everything else after sanding and washing the floors and washing the walls and everything else, which was dusty as a result, was pretty fast and straightforward. The only thing that was important is patience. We had to wait long enough to move the furniture, which we didn't do, but I strongly recommend you doing it and waiting at least 2 days as I recommend before moving furniture, or ideally 3 or 4. So here we were, sleeping in the same room, which we just finished the floors a little bit over 24 hours ago. Everything after that seems to be just a piece of cake, because there were both of us now, we were not limited in time. I could work while the baby is sleeping, John can help me when he gets off work or early in the morning. So we painted everything. We painted the walls, ceilings, molding, trim, the windows, everything. And here is what it turned into. I want to say thank you again to all the people who were involved in this process and helped us along the way with moving, materials, help, advice, with many things. And especially to Team Matt, Pete, Zach, Uncle Chris, Michael and Johnny. Thank you.
Раз, два, три, елочка горит.